Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I have 3 items to share with you today that DIY Choose were kind enough to send to me. So I'm going to start with the one that we can see a bit of. And there's lots and lots of these available on the site, but I chose one type because I haven't actually had one of these before. So we do get a toolkit, standard toolkit of boat, wax and pen. And we do get this acrylic piece, which is a gorgeous flower. It is double-sided, so you do both sides. And then what you do afterwards is you get the stuff to hang it. So if I remember rightly, this part hangs off the bottom, which is here. And you do get the little clips to attach it all. And then you hang this part, which is a little bit tangled. It will come undone, but basically this gives you the top part so that it is a hanging thing which you can pop on a window for the light to shine through. It's very purple, but we do have some sort of pinky purple. No, it's more of a mauve if that's how you say it. Then we've got purple, green, some black rhinestones, and then some little leafy purple rhinestones. So that was the first item. Let me pop all these bits safely back in the bag because I don't want to make a mess of that. So that was the first thing that I picked. There is a few different types, but if you want something nice and decorative hanging, there is those. And then we have 2 that are in the Jiffy Bag packets. For number 1, I actually thought of my brother-in-law with this one, but we have a Spitfire. It has 19 colours. It is a square, so it is a little bit different being a square. It is down as a 30 by 40. I'll just try and get it to lay a little bit flatter. They can take a little bit more of a beating, these canvases. I say a beating. They can be messed about with quite a bit more, but they will end up laying flat, especially once it's got some diamonds on it. Excuse me. So this is a 33.5, nearly 34 by 24 across. And as I say, it is a square. Why am I trying to roll that up? I'll move it again in a bit. It comes with toolkit, boat wax pen, and then we have some gorgeous blues. I do like a nice blue. So look, we have some nice deep teal colours. More tealy blues, light blues. Then we do have quite a bit of that one. That's number 13. So the one we have the most of is 996, which is a lot of the sky. And we do have a little bit of a brown. That looks like a 939. We've got some more greys, bluey greys, blues, a little bit of red, browns, a little bit of greens and greys, but a lot of blue in that one. A lot of blue. But if you like me and like blue, then that is not a problem at all. I enjoy working with blues. I actually enjoy working with sort of the multiple blues. I know when I did a painting that had like river water, it was really, really nice getting the sort of different shadings in there. So that's that one. And then last but by no means least, if I can pumpkin in it. And of course I will pop the links to all of these in the description box if they take your fancy. But this one is a little bit different. So this one's a little bit smaller, but I like the fact that it was based on being a round, and I really like the way that it looks as though it has, you know, an edge around it, but it's not in the likes of a harsh black because there is no 310. The circles around the edge are actually made up of multiple different symbols to help you give the shading, but how much does that look like a pure circle, which in a diamond painting is not easy to achieve. Not easy. So it is 24.5 centimetres by about just over, nearer 25 centimetres upwards. But we've got the sun and the waves with some clouds. We do get a standard toolkit, and this one is in round. So we do have a round one for this one. We do get DMC numbers and 24 colours. So we have some greys and purple, greens and blues, sorry, not greens, yellows. Lots of different types of blues, which, as we know from the last painting, I do like my blues. But then we have some oranges, some more purples, but more of a variant, of course, with having the sun. We do have a couple of packs of white because of the background around the circle and a little bit around the sun. But then we have some, it's a cross between yellow and lime. It's not pure lime, but it's close to lime. And some pale sort of green, an off-white that's got a green hint to it. But yeah, I thought that would be another fun one. So thank you so much to DIY Choose for sending me these items to share with you all. And I hope you've enjoyed them. Some little bit different things here to what I normally get, but different is always good. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.